Right now, across the nation, pediatric COVID cases are surging. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, the number of children catching the virus is up by about 50% since the start of December, and hospitalizations are also rising.
There's a trend, unfortunately, we're starting to see in Hampton Roads as well. Angelique Arentalk spoke with a doctor at CHKD about this situation.
CHKD is seeing a slightly higher than normal admission rate for COVID-19, although it's not quite like the previous peak level in the fall. 10 children are hospitalized with the virus at CHKD. One is battling a linked condition called multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children.
At the previous peak, we had almost up to 20 children admitted at one time. Today was 10. It's hard to predict where we're going to go.
Testing demand and positive results are up at their facilities. Dr. Laura Sass says they just hit a new record Wednesday.
We had the most positive cases overnight in the entire history of our pandemic, with over 250 new positive tests.
And she says they're preparing in the event of another surge of hospitalizations, especially as Omicron fuels a rise in cases. But there is an inkling of hope at this stage of the game.
The majority of the patients are staying as outpatients, which is good, which is also matching what most people are seeing as well.
And that's why health experts keep urging COVID-19 vaccines and boosters for those who are eligible, along with other mitigation layers.
I know everyone is tired, but there is utility to good hand washing, wearing your mask indoors, and staying away from sick people. Physical distancing does help.
Dr. Sass also says all the children battling a serious case of COVID-19 at CHKD right now are not vaccinated. In Norfolk, Angelique Arentalk, 13 News Now.
Dr. Sass also urges family to be patient and stay kind to healthcare workers. She says CHKD's lab is working overtime because of the rising testing demand. Results might take a little longer than the usual 24-hour turnaround.